Hey, adrenaline junkies! Welcome to today's episode where chaos meets speed. Get ready for heart-pounding chases, jaw-dropping moments, and non-stop action that will keep you glued to the edge of your seat. On July 12, 2023, a high-speed chase lit up Interstate 40 as two gray Teslas led officers on a wild pursuit. Speed soared into the triple digits, with suspects weaving through traffic, dodging spike strips, and showing no intention of stopping. This one was anything but routine.
Looks like 24 is with it.
Line traffic, stop it up here, be careful.
Looks like they parked it. Hit it. Go again, go again.
Alright.
Yeah, wait. Alright, CBI, successful quick work hit.
I got it, busting that tire.
CBI, DI. Here's 144.
TBI. He hit 24's car. I rammed him.
The pursuit came to a dramatic end after tactical maneuvers finally stopped the suspects. Both were taken into custody without further incident. A search of the Tesla revealed drugs and paraphernalia, leading to multiple charges, including fleeing and aggravated assault. What started as a fast getaway ended in handcuffs and a long list of charges. Milwaukee police have released Dashcam and body cam footage of a chaotic high-speed chase involving two suspects in a Kia Sportage. The pursuit tore through snow-covered streets, eventually ending in Lincoln Creek. Despite the dramatic finish, no injuries were reported, and both suspects were successfully arrested.
169 in pursuit, eastbound on Hampton from Titonia.
Got that Nissan following. It's the Nissan that's going northbound on 25.
70 in pursuit of a white Kia Sportage, Lincoln William Boyd, 169, wanted for the abduction. Eastbound on Hampton from 22nd.
7217.
We are now setting south on 21st from Hampton. Unknown occupants due to tint. Speeds approximately 50 miles an hour.
The westbound on Purdue.
We're going to be going westbound. Appears to be two occupants. Passenger has a black hoodie. Westbound on Purdue from 22. He's going towards the bail. He's going to be bailing here. He's going towards the dead end here on 24. He is now on the sidewalk doing a U-turn in the snow. Speeds approximately 6 miles an hour. Coming back down south on 24.
Coming back northbound now.
We're coming southbound.
Oh, southbound, sorry, yeah, you're right. Still south on 4-5.
Still south on 4-5.
Coming up to Congress.
Yeah,
to go east or west.
Coming up to Congress here. He's losing control.
Creek,
bail!
Okay, stop out!
Where you at?
Put your up now. Turn around. Turn around. Do not reach for stuff. Anything. Do not reach for anything. Keep your hands up.
I'm good.
7270. Crash in the fourth fire in Congress.
A tense pursuit unfolded as Arkansas State Police took over a chase involving a suspect in a truck who had made multiple online threats to law enforcement, the governor, and others. The situation escalated when a trooper performed a pit maneuver, causing the push bumper to lock onto the truck's rear bumper, sending both vehicles spinning out of control. Thankfully, no one was injured, and the incident ended without further harm.
10-4-5-150, it's going to be Adam 40.
Passing on the shoulder.
Your mark unit.
10-4. I'm right behind you. 42, taking primary again. We're in the number 3 lane, coming up to the north interchange.
108. Medium traffic. Speed 98 coming up to the north interchange. We're going to be staying 40 eastbound.
Continue 40 eastbound, speed 98.
Number 2 lane, coming up on Spring Hill.
71 secondary, I got the radio. Just drive 40. When you get a chance, we get past this traffic. Hit it.
Great copy.
71 Little Rock, past the 156, 107.
That's 156, 107.
Little Rock, passing the 156, 107.
That's 156, 107.
Pit.
Simple copy, pit.
Do not rush that car. Do not rush that car. 40, get out of your car.
Let's see your hands! Let me see your hands!
You ready? Yeah, let's move. 10-4.
Little Rock, I think they're going to be between 67 and Roto.
Let's see your hands! Hands!
No movement. I see one person only, Alex. 10-4. Okay. When we get up here, Alex and I will own him. You guys check the back seat. Roger? 10-4. All right.
On September 7th, 2022, a routine traffic stop on Interstate 55 took an unexpected turn. Troopers stopped a red Pontiac Grand Prix speeding on the shoulder, driven by Eric Winford, with a female passenger. A suspicious odor from the car raised concerns, but during the search, the passenger became anxious, hinted at a possible weapon in the car, and suddenly jumped into the driver's seat. She fled the scene, leaving officers stunned and turning the stop into a dramatic escape.
Trooper Robert, State Police, I stopped you for passing on the shoulder, my man. You got your driver's license?
I don't have a license. I was taking her to the hospital. She wasn't feeling too good and woozy. That's why I jumped over.
All right, go ahead. Step out for me. Take the car. Any weapons on you?
No,
Nothing in the car?
No, sir.
All right, so what's the deal? She woozy. Why didn't you take her to the hospital back here?
Because I had got off right here. On my way here, she started saying she wasn't feeling good, so I got off. Otherwise, I would have never got on the show.
All right, you got an ID on you?
Oh, yes, sir.
All right, give me your ID. Well, traffic's backed up because of a crash up here, okay?
Because I was going to turn around right here and go back to the hospital.
Mr. Winford, your car?
It's a friend of mine.
A friend of yours car? Okay. Let me ask you a question. You smoke marijuana? And be honest with me, because I can smell it on you.
Yes, before I got in the car, I did, but there's no marijuana in the car. You can.
There's marijuana in the car? Or there's not in it?
There's none. You can.
But you do me a favor, stick your tongue out. Okay. Who is she? Ma'am, you got an ID on you? No ID? How do you know him? Friend? Any marijuana in the car that you know of? No? Okay. Hey, before I go back here, nothing illegal on you?
Oh, no, sir.
Let me check and make sure you got nothing illegal on you. All right, I'll be back with you just a second. All right, Mr. Winford, before I go in your car or anything else, I'm gonna tell you your rights, okay? You're not under arrest right now, but you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court of law. You have a right to an attorney. If you cannot afford one may be appointed you by the courts. If you decide to answer questions, you can stop answering questions anytime until you talk to an attorney or have an attorney present with you for further questions. Do you understand those rights? Okay. The reason I'm gonna go in your car is because I can smell the odor of marijuana, not only on you, but also in the car when I went back up there. That could be because it's on you. It's loud, and I can smell it. It's very strong, okay? Is there anything illegal in the car that I need to know about?
No, sir.
Nothing at all. Is there any guns in the car?
No, I don't.
And it's not that you can't have a gun. I just want to know before I go sticking my hands right anywhere, I don't have a gun go off in it, okay?
No, sir.
What about on her? Anything illegal you know about her?
Not that I know of.
But it's just your friend or girlfriend or just a friend of yours? Okay. All right, ma'am, here's what I ask you to do. Go ahead and jump off your telephone because I'm going to talk to you for just a second. Step out for me. Step right back here. All right, listen to me. I'm going to go ahead and place your purse up here. I'm going to tell you your rights, okay? You're not under arrest right now, but I want you to know your rights before I ask you any further questions, okay? Hey, yeah, go ahead and hook him up. Get him back to your car, talk to him. He come by me about 45 mile an hour on his shoulder. I get him out, I walk up there, I smell the odor of marijuana. I get him out and start talking to him. He says, yeah, I smoked at the hotel back here.
There's a possibility that my brother's gun might be in this car, just so you know. And if it is, it's in the trunk. I just wanted to let you know.
Okay, stay up here on the corner for me.
And my sister might have something in there as well.
Hey! Hey! Stop!
The pursuit reached dangerous speeds of over 100 miles per hour before the red Pontiac
Put him in
collided with
custody.
a box truck, coming to a violent stop. The female driver, later identified as Brittany Jones, was severely injured and transported to the hospital. A search of the vehicle revealed a firearm, and it was later discovered that Johns had an active warrant.
Female jumped in the
driver,
car,
Eric
took off.
Winford, was arrested and
We're,
charged with traffic violations,
almost to the
along with
bridge.
an additional firearm-related charge.
She did. She wrecked out far east, probably 1016.
Oh my gosh, she went over. Sit down. I'm not gonna get out. Oh my God, breathe, man. Oh my God, no, she did not go to this car. No, bro, no, man. She went under the semi. The car split in half, mama.
She gonna be 10-7. He's leaking diesel. Force City start. Far City, get me West Memphis Fire. We got a truck she hits leaking diesel. She's in the car. I don't know. Far City, get his ambulance here quick.
Need me help with anything?
Man, just have you got a fire extinguisher?